Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you the AI and ML. As you know very well that AI stands for Artificial Intelligence and ML stands for Machine Language. All these are the part of our coding. So here we are going to tell you with the help of the Python. I will tell you the basic of Python like variable, loop, function, list, dictionaries and all these things that has connected with the AI and ML. So the first one is the Python. Python is a versatile programming language which widely used in AI and machine learning. How? For example, that if you want to create the text to speech, if you want to create a chatbot, if you want to create a weather app, many things are there. Python is a user-friendly language. It has different types of packages. With the help of that, you're able to create any type of app within no minute. Like if you want to create a text to speech, in Java, you will do the coding of 10 to 15 lines. But in Python, just between the 10 lines, your code will be generated. Then the basic of Python variable are used to store information that can be referenced and manipulated. In Python, variable assigned is straightforward and does not require explicit declaration. For example, Python data types, numeric, dictionary, boolean, sat, and sequence tree. As you know Python basic already, so I'm sure that these things are clear for you. Numeric means integer or the float. What is integer? If you type a simple number, like if you are going to type here 1, 11, yeah, so you will type here 2, 23 or 2, 3. All these numbers are known as the integer. If I'm talking about float, that is the pointed number. Like if I will type here 4.73, then it is known as the float. So float is the decimal number and integer is the simple number. Now the second one is set, string, tuple, and the list. List is known as the collection of the variable, collection of the values. Tuple is also known as the collection of the values. String, if you want to store any name, that should be in commas, either in single comma or in double comma, we will use string. One more number is there that is known as the complex number. Complex number means if you will type any number with a single letter J, that is known as the complex number. Remember, with a single letter J, it should be small, not a capital. So if you will write any number with a single letter J, that is known as the complex number. I hope this data type is completely clear for you. Now let's move to the next one. Here, the next slide is the loops. What is loop? Loop is just like a duration of the command. Suppose this is the circle and I just want to type the counting 1 to 10. So I will type here 1 and I will type here 10. So it will move continuously till the condition is true. As the condition become false, means as the loop will come to the 11, it will stop, it will not move forward. So loop is a duration of command which move continue till then the condition is true. Python provide has two types of loop. First one is the for loop, second one is the while loop. After that, the function. Function is the block of organized reusable code that is used to perform single related action. For example, you have one mobile and in this mobile you have two functions. First one is the camera and the second one is the music player. If you want to click the picture, you will go to the camera. If you want to listen the music, you will go to the music player. But I have created these both function in my mobile. So we can create the function in the starting of the code and whenever we need, we can call it very easy. All these are the basic of Python. If the basic of Python is completely clear for you, then you can create any good app. So I hope right now it's clear. Let me show you one more time a brief introduction of this. Before starting the brief introduction, I just want to ask one thing. Do you know about variable data types? Okay. So as I told you, that is the part of the machine learning. So here I'm going to create one app. First of all, I just want to show you the app, that which app you want to create. So I have opened Code.org and in Code.org, I have logged in it already with my ID. The app name is Currency Converter. So this is just an sample. Many apps are here. So this is our first machine learning class. So I just want to show you this one. It has three options: app designing and app coding. Because this is the AI based, so coding is really very easy. Here you can see the run option. My code is incomplete because I'm making it with my other student, but I can show you this. As I will run the option, it is money converter, convert to AED and convert in dollar. My AED coding has completed. So if I will type here, suppose I'm typing here 400. AD is the currency of Dubai. So if I will click on convert in AD, it will show your answer here, 17.16. If you want to convert it in the dollar, you can do the coding of that, then it will code it. Like this, if you want to create the calculator, I can show you that one also. Whatever you want, we will go with that. And the plus point is this, you can share this app on WhatsApp to your friends also, it will work properly. Let me run. Just type number 1, click on it, enter number 1, enter number 2. If I will click on plus, it will make addition, subtraction, multiply, division, and with the help of eraser, you can erase it also. So now just tell me beta, which app you want to create, I will go with that. Calculator or currency converter?
Currency converter.
Okay, fine. So let's start with currency converter. First of all, we have open code.org. Now, after that, go to new project and choose App Lab. When you will click here on App Lab, you will get 3 options. The first option is known as the code, second option design, and then the third one is data. So this is the app. So first of all, I have to make the design. Just choose any theme as per your choice. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Then take one label. This is the AI one, so it's really very easy. In this label, I just want to mention here money. Oh, sorry, currency converter. Just increase the font size and you can move it as per your requirement. After this currency converter, I just want to take text input. In this text input, you can type that exactly what you want. So I just mention here, enter amount in rupees. So user will enter here in the rupees. After this, just take the button. I want to take 2 buttons. Button 1 is for AED and AEDB. And here you will type convert. After convert, I'm just putting arrow. Oh, I think the name should be rupees to AED. It will look better. Same, I'm going to take one more button. This is $1. So I'm typing here $B. This is the variable name. So when we will make the variable, it will quite easy. So I'm just typing here rupees to dollar. If you want, you can increase the font size or you can change the button color, button back font color, whatever you want. That is completely your choice. After that, I want when it will be work, then it will show the answer. So I will choose text area. This is the text area. So just set it as per your requirement. One more text area I'm going to take. You can take many. Right now I'm taking only 2. You can take many. Now let me set like this. Here I just want to mention the heading. So for this, I'm going to choose the label. Rupees to AED. Just keep it here. Same, I just want to make it duplicate. Just keep it here. And here I'm typing rupees to dollar. So my design is ready. After that, I will start the coding. But first of all, I want to just start till here. Then I will start the code. So we have completed till here. Now I just want to start the design, coding. So we will go here on this code option. First of all, this is AI version, so no need to do extra coding. Just simply take on event. In on event, I have 2 buttons. So we will take 2 time on event. On event 1 and on event 2. In place of ID, just mention the button name as my first button name is AEDB and my second button name is $B. After that, I just want to set the text. This is the text area. Text area 1 and text area 2. So we will choose here set text. One set text I will choose here. In place of ID, I will choose text area 1 and in place of second ID, I will choose text area 2. After that, we will go to the text. Here we will choose get text. Same, we will go with the other one. Here, I just want to divide it. So go to the math option and just choose upon sign. Same upon sign you will choose here. In get text, what you want? This is the text input one. Only one input is here. Go to UI control and just choose get text. Sorry. Here we have only one input and I want if I will click on the first one, then it will convert in AD. So I will choose here text input. In the get text, I just want to set the text input. So I think, let me delete this one. Okay. It should be there, get text. And here I just want to put the text input one. So we will just type here text input one in the get text option. And after that, we will make the upon sign. So as you can see, I have mentioned it here. Let me show you again. I will make it quickly. Get text ID and I'm choosing here text input one. Here I just want to make the division. Text area, I think I missed something. Yeah, in place of text, let me recall, we will use here upon sign here. And in this upon sign, just go to UI control and choose get text. In the first box one, not in the second. Here, I will choose text input one. And here, I will choose text input two. Because I have only one input. Now, it has converted in drum. So, drum is 23.31. And dollar I have to check. I haven't checked it on Google. Same you will go with the dollar one and then it will work. Let me show you. If I'm typing the amount 400 rupees in AED, it is showing proper. Let me show you on Google also that it is working properly or no. 400 rupees in AED. It's same 17.20. Now let me check 400 rupees in dollar. It is saying 4.68. So we have to check that $1 is equal to what? Then you can convert it. Okay, so like let me type here 100 rupees in dollar 1.17. And if you want to check 1 rupees in dollar, that is only 0.117. So let me type here 1.17. So let's go back and I'm typing here 1.17. I hope this part is clear for you. If you want, you can make more button. Let me redone. And just typing here 100. This is 80 and this is, I think it's working properly. Now just try with this. And the plus point is this, you can just go to share option, send to phone. This is the US phone number, just mention it and send. Then your app will be there in your mobile. I hope you will like it. Just go with it and then show it to me. Fine. Now I hope this fancy converter is completely clear for you. Now let's start one calculator. For this, I'm going to make a design. So I'm going to take this theme, playtime. And here I just want to make the label. And my label button is, name is calculator. Let me increase the size. After this, I just want to mention here two things. First of all, text area, that should be at the top because here we will show the answer. So I'm making it a little bit small. And also if you want, you can just make the label. This is just a design. You can make the design as per your choice also. So I'm just mentioning here answer. Keep the calculator little bit up. Fine. Now it's looking better. Now text input 1. This is for number 1. Text input 2. This is for number 2. In this placeholder, I'm typing here enter number. Same, we will type here enter number. The theme is not looking so good. I think I should change it. Let me take this. Yeah, it's looking better. Now we will create the button. This is the button bar. I just want to set it like this. In the circle one or whatever you want, you can choose. This is the plus button. So name is add B. And in place of tags, I'm typing here plus. Definitely I want to increase the size. So I'm keeping it like 45. Yeah. Now I want to make the same button. So I'm going to duplicate it. One button I will keep here. One button I will keep here. And the other button I will keep here. One more button we want, that is the eraser one. So make it duplicate and keep it here. Here, this is the minus one. So we will just mention here sub B and it should be minus. This is the multiply one. So I'm typing here pro B and mention the capital X or small x, that is your choice. This is the division one. So I will type here div B and I'm typing here upon sign. This is the eraser. So I just want to use the eraser one. I don't have any icon of eraser. So just scroll it down, click on image, choose. Just go to the icon one and here I'm going to take eraser. That is looking quite better. So now design is ready. So first of all, just make the design and after that I will start the code. So let's start with the coding. I'm just clicking here on the code option. We have this text input 1, text input 2, and this is the text area. So first of all, we have 4 buttons. First button for plus, second button is for minus, third button is for multiply, and the fourth button is for division. I have taken 4. First of all, you have to change the button name, ID, that is add B, division B, subtraction B, and the product. After mentioning all the buttons ID, let's start with the same. As we have done in the currency one, same we will do here. So first of all, we will take set text. Here we will choose the text area. So just scroll it down and just choose your text area. Here, this is the plus one. So just go to the math option and take the plus. Whatever is there, this is the text input 1 and the text input 2. We just want to add it. So in place of screen 1, this is the set text. So I will choose here text area. Now here, what I will do, go to the UI control and just choose get text ID. Keep one get text ID here and the second get text ID here. Here we will choose text input 1 and here we will choose text input 2. In the same way, just do the coding in all. I hope it's completely clear for you. Now let's start. The rest code you can do yourself. Now I just want to tell you the eraser coding. For this, I'm going to take one more on event. And this event name is eraser. So that is my button 5. I forgot to rename it. But if you want to get rename, I just want to delete everything. So I have 3 options. Set text 1, set text 2, and the set text 3. In the first set text, I just choose text area 1. And I don't want to keep here anything. So just delete and keep the space. Here I will choose text input 1. No need to mention anything, just delete and leave the space. In the same way, here I'm going to choose text input 2, delete it and simple. So now let me run the code. I have done only plus coding, so I will make the plus, enter number 2, plus, answer is here. If I were to eraser, it's working properly. And don't forget to share this app with me. I hope it's also clear for you.